Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Arpan Patel. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about cosmetic dentistry. You know, there was a big era in the early 2000s where cosmetic dentistry became just a great phenomenon. Everyone wanted to come in and have cosmetic dentistry done, and shows such as Extreme Makeover and Swan, things of this nature, even Bachelor, these shows really boosted one's ability to go ahead and not just take a look at themselves from a cosmetic dentistry standpoint, but just an overall cosmetic standpoint. And cosmetic dentistry from that era started booming close to 350%. So what is cosmetic dentistry? What does cosmetic dentistry entail? Well, cosmetic dentistry basically entails any sort of procedure that actually enhances one's smile. Now, that's the key word there, is a smile. A lot of patients will come in and see us, and they'll say, hey, I have a big space in between my front two teeth. I need that to be closed. Can you just go ahead and take care of the front two teeth, make them wider and close the space? I'm going to be very happy. That in itself is not considered cosmetic dentistry. Sure, you're enhancing the smile for the patient's benefit, but when you take a look at it, there are many factors that have to play a role in order for that smile to look correct. Now, the method that I have just described to you is not going to make the smile look correct. It's simply going to make the smile look more as though it's a buck smile, where the front two teeth are much larger than they should be. So cosmetic dentistry actually takes the entire smile into consideration. So yeah, typically speaking, if you went to a true cosmetic dentist and said, look, I have 1 or 2 spaces in my front teeth that I would like to have closed, well, guess what? The entire smile should be taken into consideration, not just the teeth that are involved in creating these spaces. So cosmetic dentistry can be achieved with numerous procedures in dentistry. You have whitening procedures. There are so many different types of whitening procedures that are out there, ways that you can externally bleach your teeth, internally even bleach your teeth. This is something that's done by, the internal bleaching is done by a dentist only, but external bleaching can also be done by a dentist or the consumer or the patient themselves. There are procedures such as all porcelain crowns. There's so many different types of crowns, but all porcelain crowns in the front teeth give you the best aesthetic look or enhancement that one can look for. Veneers have been for years and years one of the biggest reasons why cosmetic dentistry is so popular. Veneers have broken off into so many different branches. You've got traditional veneers, you have ultra thin veneers, you've got lumineers. There are tons and tons of different labs out there which are branding their own veneers and making it so that it's more and more acceptable by the patient from an aesthetic standpoint. So there you also have newer products such as a snap-on smile. You've got aesthetic components to partial dentures, aesthetic dentures that are out there. So there's a wide variety of treatments that one can have done, and we'll cover that in the upcoming videos as to what exactly are each one of these procedures and what the pros and cons are. So keep watching, and I'll go through how we can help you understand a little bit better for each one of these procedures. Thank you.